I am back with the complete eye look for today. This is what it is looking like. I use the JamRock No Limitations eyeshadow palette by Plain in Makeup by Yolando. I use this palette. I use 4 colors in there. This is what the palette looks like. This is what the look looks like. Today's word is from the Complete Pocket Positives, and we are in the section that says Sick Moments of Solitude. Today's word is learn to get in touch with the silence within yourself and know that everything in this life has a purpose. I love this. I love this very much. Today's word is by Elizabeth Kubler-Ross, and it says, learn to get in touch with the silence within yourself and know that everything in this life has a purpose. Beautiful words. Please meditate on this message. It is beautiful. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I, Simply You, is saying to go out and kick fear in the butt today. Do whatever it is that you've been procrastinating on for many months, many days, many years, maybe decades. Take some baby steps towards it. Seek within yourself that little silent moment and move towards whatever it is that you are so afraid of and take baby steps towards it. V, Simply You Makeup is asking you, if you haven't checked out my website, please do. I have published my first book. It is on there if you need to know a little bit more about me. That book will give you a little insight about my path so far. Second book is almost complete. I'm liking this look. I am feeling this look. This look is sexy. I am loving it. Please love yourself. I love myself very much. My family will tell you, I do. I love myself a lot. So when I come across people, I love them too. I do. I love you all. If you're struggling with anything out there, depression, anxiety, pain, fear, whatever it is, I hope my voice, my encouragement brings you a little relief. Even though it's a little bit and a smile to your face, I pray that it happens. I do. I understand what pain is. Trust me, I know. I have been through a lot. And as you read my books, they will open up to you too. All the stuff that I've went through. Thank God I didn't give up, because here I am. Here I am today, making YouTube videos and talking to you. If I had given up, who knows what would have happened. So I hope my little encouraging words bring you a little bit of peace. Again, I am saying bye. See you soon in another video. I look. Enjoy your day.